Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 7. So let me give you guys some time to read the first part. So here's the first part and here's the second part. I hope you guys read the question, so I will explain to you what it means. So there is a company called Next Computer. So they sell like laptops, which you can see if you read this table. So here's how the database looks like when then they have like a brand table, brand column, model column, quantity and price. So the brand is like the laptops they sell, which they sell, the brands of the laptops which they sell, and the model column includes like the models of the laptops they sell, and how much they have in stock is the quantity column data, and the price includes the unit price of each laptop. So that's it's like good to keep in mind that. So all this data is stored in like traditional method such as record books, I believe, and they want to convert this into a more software solution. So we have to create a database for this. So yeah, you can use any other RDBMS tool to do this, and I'm going to use Navicat. Other tools which you can use is MySQL or HeidiSQL. So this is that. So they all work the same. First of all, you have to select a connection to create the data which you have to access the which you can access the database. So yeah, and I will copy the database name, and after you select a connection, just right click on anywhere in Navigat in this area and select new database, and give the database name Next Computer, and the character should be UTF MV3, and click OK. So if we check here, the database is created. So yeah, and since there are no empty table, there are no tables, you can't see them even if you select this. So to create a table, so we have completed the first question. The second question suggests that we have to create the table product. So let me copy this and right click again here and select new you have to select the Next Computer database and click on new table. And yeah, I think we have to you have to what do you go give the database give the table name last in Navigat. So let me create the columns first. So the first column is ID, so that's that, and the data type is integer. Yeah, so sorry, integer, and this should auto increment. So to auto increment, select this here. Auto increment means whenever you insert a new record, it will increment one by one. So yeah, that is what auto increment means. So and the next column is if you want to add a column in the table, just click add field and a new column will be created, and the name is brand, and the data type is varchar. So you have to select this, and the data length is 45, which is the maximum number of characters the data column can have as a value. So yeah, and you have to select not null here since you are not accepting any null values. So yeah, uh, int means integer, int stands for integer. So if you are inserting any numbers, you have to use this data type, or you can use any other data type such as small int. And yeah, there are a couple of data types in numbers. And this text, where text data types such as text data, when you insert text into the database, it is called as string. So yeah, you have to give like varchar. Varchar is the mainly used string data type. So yeah, that's like an extra information. So let me get into the here. So varchar is 45, I believe. Yeah, and yeah, okay, so we get an integer here. So since because quantity is kept in numbers, we have to give the data type as integer. So yeah, since this is integer, we won't need to give any length to this. So keep that in mind also. And we have to check the not null box and click add field and select price. So price is like a double. So double means like you are keeping any float values. Float values means let me check my notepad here. So something like this. So after float values means like there are like numbers after the decimal point. So yeah, so the you can keep if you want to keep float values, there are like couple of options which you can use. First option is like the decimal, and the second is like the double. So yeah, and for double you don't want to give the data length or this column. So it is same, it behaves, uh, it acts no, so the so integer, both integer and double don't have to give any data lengths. That's what I wanna that's what I'm trying to say. So sorry. So yeah, I have created this. Okay, to create this, click save and with the table name product. Okay, so column name ID. Okay, I think we have to set this as primary key. Okay, you have to set this as primary key. And is this product? Okay, let me just clean out some weird errors. I don't know why. Make sure you don't give like any spaces while creating this, so that gives like an error. So we have created successfully here the columns. So that's that. And you want to insert the data which is stated here. To do that, I have created some insert queries here. So this is how the insert query gonna work. So if we go to W3 schools, I think you can just get an idea what an insert query looks like. So this is the how the syntax of a insert query works. So first you have to specify the table name and the columns which you are going to insert the data and the values with the order. You have to this the column 1 takes the value 1, column 2 takes value 2, column 3 takes the value 3. So that's that. And yeah, this is how the insert query looks like. We are inserting data into the product table, and the product table has following columns such as brand, model, quantity, price, and yeah, the first record. As for the first record, it is HP pavilion. Brand is HP, so brand is HP. Model is pavilion. Quantity is 15 and price is 1,750 thousand. Yeah, 175,000. Yeah. So let me just copy this and select a new query. So when you are if you want to execute a query, just click on new query and make sure you have the right connection and the right database selected. So I will copy this and run here. So if all is inserted, if all is done, executed successfully, you get the message here. So now there are messages, and yeah, and if we refresh this, you get the data. Yeah, and I have done this successfully, completed this successfully. Third question. The fourth question suggests that the owner no longer need the brand Lenovo, so we have to write a delete query. So this is how the delete query works. I think the fourth question and the fifth question both need to be done with delete. So this is how the works. First you have to specify the table name and the condition which you are going to be making to execute this properly. So first I will write this. So let me erase this and use the word delete from the table name product where brand is brand equals Lenovo. And if you before running this, you can see there is a brand called Lenovo here, so this should be deleted. So refresh this, the following record is deleted. So yeah, and the fifth, that completes the fourth question. So the fifth question suggests that we have to delete this brand called not brand, model called ROG Zephyrus M15, which is the model, the brand is ASUS, and the model brand is ASUS and the model is this. So we have to specify like two conditions. So the first condition is ASUS, and you have to when you are when you have to meet with multiple conditions, you have to use the keyword and model equals this. Okay, I will copy this from here since things might go wrong. Since okay, I will copy this. That's clear. And yeah, this is the record. Record number 2 should be deleted, so I will run this and this should be disappeared. Okay, yeah, I think I have a completed success. Completed the fifth question. So I have done all the questions in the question set number 7 successfully. So thank you guys for watching and see you in next time. Peace.